Welcome to the channel dedicated to forestry machinery enthusiasts. If you love the exceptional power and incredible precision of these machines, then you've come to the right place. Subscribe now and prepare for a front row seat to watch the impressive performances. It's all going to be epic. This is a prime example of why proper felling technique is important, regardless of your experience.
Okay. Good job.
Luckily, no one was injured. Great job. A sudden explosion occurred in this forest. Always remember that safety is always the top priority when felling trees. Before you start, clearly identify your escape route so you can respond quickly to any emergency situation, as this could save your life. That's what I call a perfect job. They made the stump disappear like magic, smoothly, effectively, and truly satisfyingly. Poland's Ursus C360 tractor looks like a classic tractor, but inside is a powerful machine with outstanding performance. Equipped with advanced technology and the ability to handle heavy work, Ursus C360 is not only a tool to support farmers, but also a reliable companion. The new Fecon Stumpex is a powerful device designed for effective stump treatment, helping to quickly remove large stumps. The new Fecon Stumpex works like a powerful intruder in tree stumps compared to conventional tree stump crushers. Instead of cutting across the root, the Stumpex blade rotates backwards like a drill that breaks down the inner layers of wood. This mechanism helps it handle large stumps with greater speed and precision than conventional mowers. The west coast of North America is a major logging area, and TimberPro's TL755D West Coast Edition was born to meet the needs of logging with winches and rope ties. With outstanding improvements, the TL755D becomes making it the ideal choice for those working in complex and harsh logging environments. It's true that it's hard to imagine that a girl can take down a giant tree. Dopstadt DH81 Puma, originating from Germany, is a high-performance wood chipper that meets the strict requirements of the forestry and biomass energy industries. With a 30mm filter basket, the machine produces uniform wood chips, reducing fine dust and optimizing production efficiency. Wood chipping requires precision, strength, and meticulousness, and the DH810 Puma proves it. Demonstrates high technical standards and durable design, helping to meet the challenges of harsh working environments. What do you think about the fact that this small-sized machine is capable of cutting such a tall tree trunk? Please leave a comment if our video has left an impression on you. Your support will be the motivation for us to continue making more perfect videos. CBI Magnum Force 6800B is a powerful horizontal crusher that stands out for its ability to handle huge land and wood waste. The machine is equipped with a Cat C 27 1050 horsepower engine, helping to increase working efficiency. With a high clearance design, the machine is easy to move and operate in harsh conditions, suitable for many different types of jobs and environments. Admire the power of the Hitachi EEX200 machine as it plunges into work, powerfully crushing each block. Get Done West LLC felled a 3-foot diameter cotton tree quickly and safely with the new GT25 XP. Hopefully their car is sturdy enough in case the tree falls in the wrong direction. With just a light touch from this excavator, the tree fell as if it could no longer support itself. Multi-Tech 2040's P2 is a powerful device designed for efficient and precise wood processing. It is equipped with a 60-inch saw blade with a carbide cutting tip and an 8-blade splitter, allowing for quick and precise processing of large logs. The black splitter model S2X800, when combined with the CAT 304 CR excavator, provides the ability to process large timber more efficiently than traditional methods. Black splitter's ability to rotate wood makes wood handling much more flexible and precise, while also reducing labor and working time compared to grabs or shovels. Enjoy the behind-the-scenes sounds from the construction site as the land clearing process takes place, with the constant sound of machinery and cranes working. Can you guess what they are transporting? That's right, those are the most powerful GE9HA.02 gas engines. These engines are not only large but also very dangerous, so moving them must be done with utmost care to ensure maximum safety. The Oshkosh M1070 truck is one of the U.S. military's best vehicles, known for its ability to tow heavy loads and overcome the most difficult terrain. Forklifts mounted on the back of trucks are used to load and unload transformers quickly and efficiently. Oh no, what happened to this drone? Please give me information about... The challenge increases when traveling on muddy roads, adding to the drama and danger of the trip. Let's see what the emergency braking of heavy vehicles will look like. The Soviet Kirovets and the American John Deere are overcoming the quagmires together, like companions overcoming all challenges. In Venezuela, an unexpected situation occurred when workers tried to move a 400-ton Faro-style Procon crane onto a truck. Suddenly, the main truck lost control, crashed into a deep ditch, and the second truck driver was forced to jump out of the truck when things became dangerous. A Caterpillar 24H bulldozer had a tire burst problem, but still persistently ran more than 10 kilometers to return to the warehouse to change the tire. Hopefully, the driver will accept responsibility for this incident, because driving on a damaged tire can harm a tire that can be saved.